What's up, Pilipinas? Hello, everyone. I am Marisa Marfil. We are here now in the Quezon City Expo Fair. And these are the products that we make out of recycled materials. These are all recycled wood. And then they're hand-painted in acrylic. So nothing is wasted. No, we use this so that instead of throwing the wood, we use it for art.
Can you give us an idea, ma'am, how much ang mga per piece?
Anywhere from 600 to 5,000. Depends on the size. Depends on the work involved.
So, lumalabas po, every piece is unique.
Yes.
Kasi,
one of a kind.
One of a kind and hand-drawn.
Yes. Hand
But can we request for a customized or...
Yeah, we do. Follow pala my Instagram and Facebook, Eight Crayons page. You will see there the customized versions of what the
So, pag
orders.
ano, ma'am, how much ang magiging cost nun?
Anywhere depends because some clients want it big, some clients want it small. So anywhere we start at 750 and then it depends on what they want, what the client wants. So 750 up.
Oh, talaga, parang mura po, 750 only?
Basic yon, basic.
Basic. So, you could go as much as what?
I don't know, depends on the size Because if they want big ones, 5,000, 1,000,
Okay.
2,000, depends on what they want.
So, after this event, saan po kayo makikita, ma'am?
This coming weekend, I will be in Estancia, Rizal. So come and visit me there. But you like my pages, so that you will know where I will be.
Yun.
What bazaar I will be.
Oh.
8 Crayons PH for Instagram and Facebook, 8 Crayons.
Okay, one last thing, ma'am. Let's do again the shout out, okay? On the count of 3, sigaw po kayo ng What's Up, Pilipinas? With energy, okay? 1, 2, 3.
What's up, Pilipinas?